We're at Paramount Electronics again, and we are testing a early version of a Compair controller. We have the Paramount test jig next to it. Okay, we're going to start it. There we go, and contacted line, delta, and star and delta come in, and then it's actually running like that. If we wait a while, you'll see this counter step. It might be quite a while, so at the same time the drain, there, and the drain goes. If there's an overload, it should trip, so we can overload the amps. There we go. You could overload on the motor. You can reset it and start again. What's happening here? Of course, it's a different reset. Yeah. There we go. Okay, it's back again. I'll trip it with the temperature. There we go. Indicated that temperature. And reset. And it's ready to start again. Okay. Can do it. Unload. It brings the contactor in. There you go. And I'm back again. Emergency stop. There we go. And then it's on standby, ready to start again.